Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial, and today I'm going to tell you about Luke the Woodworker. Luke needs to see how long his previous projects took him to complete. He has a list of start dates and the dates that he completed his project. Luke tells his clients that he needs 30 days per project, but wants to give a more accurate time frame to his customers based on his history. Here's a list of the 50 most recent projects that Luke has completed. He has a column for the start date and completion date. Now we need to find a fast and easy way to find out how many days were between the project start date and the project completion date. To do this, we're going to use the days function. First, we'll start with the equal symbol and then DAYS. Now when I press tab, it's going to give us the automatic parentheses and tell us that we need two pieces of data. First, the end date, the project completion date, which will be cell D2 since we're working on row number 2, comma, and the start date, or in this case, the project start date, cell C2. And when we press enter, it'll automatically calculate that there are 41 days between 5/6/2018 and 6/16/2018. And that's how long it took Luke to complete making the jewelry chest for Lincoln. We'll double click this little square, and it will add the formula, including the days function, to the rest of these cells, and automatically calculate how many days it took to complete each of these projects.
Now that all of these cells have the correct formula to tell us how many days it took Luke to complete each of these projects, we're going to copy the entire column, and now we're going to paste special and select values and OK. Now when we select the cells, it gives us the actual data instead of a formula.
Now he knows exactly how many days it took to complete the last 50 projects that he worked on. In the next video, we'll talk a little bit more about how he finds out the average time spent on each of these projects. That's going to help him give a more accurate time frame to his customers. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, and until next time, have fun excelling.